How to restore hidden photos and post on your Instagram. So after you open up your Instagram app like this, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, as you can see now, let's say now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu, scroll to down and tap on this section which says archive, this one. After you open this archive now you can be able to see all the photos and the posts that are hidden on your Instagram account. So all you have to do now, open one of them. After you open one of them, as you can see like this one. Now if you want to restore it, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot at the top right side. After you tap on this three dot now, tap on this where it says show on profile, this one. I tap on this show on profile again. As you can see here, it says restore. So tap on this back arrow. Now back arrow. Now close your Instagram app and open it again. So now open the Instagram app again. After you open your Instagram, tap on this as you can see profile. After you open your Instagram, as you can see now, here is the photos that I just restored. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.